Hi there, I am Silvana, aka Sunflower, and I'm going to be here singing for you guys today a beautiful song that you may or may not know, and it's by Simon and Garfunkel. It's called The Sounds of Silence.
Hello, darkness,
my old friend. I've come to talk with you again, because the vision softly creeping left my seats when I was sleeping. Let's try this again. Hi, welcome to my music gig. I am Silvana, aka Sunflower, and I'm gonna sing for you guys a song by Simon and Garfunkel called The Sounds of Silence. It's a beautiful song that you may or may not know, but here it is, so you will find out now. Hello darkness, my old friend, I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left its seeds while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains. The sounds of silence. Dreams I walked alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, the halo of a street lamp. I turned my collar to the cold and damp, with my eyes stared by the flash of the neon lights. Spent the nights, whispered the sounds of silence, and in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never share, and no one dared disturb the sounds of silence. Fool said I do not know. Silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words that I might reach you. Hear my songs that I might teach you. But my words, like silent raindrops, fell, echoed in the wells of silence. The people bowed and prayed to a neon god they made, and the sun flashed out its warning, that it was for me, and the signs and the words of the prophets are written on the subway walls and in their homes, whispering the sounds of silence. Thanks for watching. Peace and love. MusicVeg.org. Go there today.